In my 35 years as a mechanic, I've had the privilege of witnessing the transformation of automobiles from simple, functional machines to the intricate beasts of engineering that we see today. One such marvel is the 2018 Chevy Camaro, a car that effortlessly blends raw power with refined elegance. Today I'll be sharing my insights and expertise on how to change the exhaust system on this modern muscle car. The exhaust system is a vital component of your Camaro. It's responsible for safely channeling the gases generated by your engine, away from the vehicle. A high-quality exhaust system not only enhances the performance of your car, but also delivers that deep, throaty rumble that car enthusiasts absolutely adore. Changing the exhaust system on your 2018 Camaro isn't merely a mechanical adjustment. It's an upgrade that breathes new life into your ride. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, ensure you have all the necessary tools at hand. A range of wrenches, screwdrivers, and a reliable jack. Always prioritize safety. Work in an area with good ventilation and use jack stands to support the car when it's raised off the ground. The first step is to disconnect the battery. This ensures that you avoid any potential electrical mishaps. Once that's done, use a hydraulic jack to lift the car and secure it on jack stands. This gives you clear access to the exhaust system beneath the car. Remember, patience is key here. Rushing could lead to errors or even accidents. Next, you'll want to start removing the old exhaust system. Begin by loosening the bolts that connect the exhaust to the catalytic converter. If you were dealing with an older car, you might encounter rusted bolts, but with a 2018 model, it should be a fairly straightforward process. Once the bolts are loosened, carefully remove the hangers that are holding the exhaust in place. Having an extra pair of hands during this stage can be incredibly helpful to lower the exhaust safely. Now you're ready to install your new exhaust system. Align it correctly, starting from the back of the car and working your way towards the front. Attach the new system to the hangers and ensure it's properly aligned with the catalytic converter before you start tightening the bolts. Make sure to check for any leaks or loose connections. Changing the exhaust system on a 2018 Camaro is a rewarding experience. It's a delicate dance of mechanical skill and respect for the machine. Once you've successfully installed the new system, fire up the engine and revel in the sweet, satisfying sound of success. You've accomplished a job well done. In the journey of enhancing your 2018 Camaro, it's crucial to have a reliable partner that provides high-quality parts. That's where Uzbasic Motorsports Performance Parts comes into play. They are the go-to place for all your exhaust system needs. Whether you're looking for that perfect sound or boosted performance, Uzbasic Motorsports has got you covered. The link is in the description below. Remember, the satisfaction of a job well done is even better when you have the right tools and parts at your disposal. Thank you for watching and accompanying us on this mechanical journey. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive DIY content. We appreciate your support.